Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Nigel here with outsole.com. Welcome to my channel where we talk all about sneakers. Today, I have with me one of the latest Yeezys to be released, and that is the Yeezy Boost 350 Citrin. With so much hype over Yeezys, it can be hard to tell if they're really worth the buy. So in this video, with all the hype aside, I aim to give you my honest and unbiased review on the Yeezy Boost 350. Without further ado, let's get right into it. As usual, we'll start off by breaking down some of the key features of the Adidas Yeezy 350. We'll then move on to talk about the comfort level, the style, as well as their sizing, and finally, where to get these sneakers in case you like to get a pair. So let's kickstart this review by going through some of the key features of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350. And we'll start off by talking about the upper. So the upper is the entire top material which makes up the majority of the shoe. And for the case of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350, this is the Prime Knit, which is actually one of Adidas' signature technology. So what I really like about the Prime Knit is that it actually offers a really good balance of stretch and hold. So it hugs your feet in place around the entire region of the sides and the toe box. And it still allows your feet to have the room to wiggle around, so it gives a really nice unrestricted sensation due to the stretch that the Prime Knit has. And similar to other Boost sneakers such as the Adidas Ultra Boost as well as NMD Prime Knit, it actually really gives pretty good breathability as well. As you can see, there's pretty large pores around the Prime Knit, so this ensures good airflow so that when you wear them, you actually really get a nice airy feeling and it doesn't feel like you're sweating your feet out or anything like that. So moving on to the next feature, we have the midsole. So the midsole is this entire portion that I'm going through now, and it's actually the part in between the upper and the outsole. So for the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350, the midsole is made up of another one of Adidas' signature technology, and that is Boost. And for those of you who are familiar with Boost, you know that the Boost is actually really responsive and provides really good support. So when you put these on, it gives really good bounce and you won't feel like your feet is sinking in or anything like that. And the insole, as you can see, the insole for the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 is also really firm and provides good support as well. So generally, together, it gives a really nice feeling on your feet as you walk on them. One problem, however, with the Boost midsole is that it actually yellows over time. So this is something that many people have actually complained about, how the Boost midsole yellows over time and this actually causes it to look unappealing. Functionality wise, it doesn't affect much, but over time, the Boost does yellow, giving you a not as aesthetic look, I would say. But for the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350, there's actually no such problem because as you can see at the sides, the midsole is actually covered by another layer of rubber gum. So what happens is that even if the Boost midsole inside yellows, you wouldn't be able to see it because of the rubber gum covering this entire area. So this is actually a really good matchup which really helps to cover up the yellowing Boost while at the same time giving you the responsiveness and the support from the Boost. The only regions where you can see the yellowing Boost is the outsole, but honestly when you're wearing this on, no one will be able to see your outsole is yellowing, so you can be rest assured that the aesthetics of your sneaker won't be affected by the yellowing Boost. So moving on to the next feature, we talk about the sneaker collar. So the sneaker collar is basically the opening, the region around the opening of the sneaker, and I especially love the sneaker collar for the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 because of the great cushioning around this region, as you can see at the heels as well as the tongue area. So this gives a really nice hugging sensation around your ankles as you put these sneakers on, which really adds great comfort to when you're wearing these sneakers. Another point to note is that this sneaker has a really wide sneaker collar. So what this means is that it actually makes it really easy to put these sneakers on. You can just keep the laces tied up and really just slip your feet in, which makes it really hassle-free as well. So another important feature to note about the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 is actually the lace region. So one key thing to take note is that this sneaker actually doesn't have a lace cage. As you see, there's no additional attachment to this sneaker where the laces pop out. It's just directly attached to the one-piece upper. So I personally find that the lack of lace cage gives a simpler and cleaner look, but it's really up to personal preference as to what you think. But one thing to highlight to you is that without the lace cage, it actually allows for more lacing options, and you can actually feel free to YouTube search it out. There's lacing options such as the calls lacing, the double looping lacing, and all these really gives you different style choices for your Yeezys. So this is one thing that is really attractive about the Yeezys, which is that it's versatile, it allows for different style choices as well. So now that we went through all the key features of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350, let's put them on feet and see how they feel and also talk more about the sizing for these sneakers. On feet, the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 is hands down one of the most comfortable sneakers I've worn. As mentioned before, the firm padding line along the sneaker collar, together with the soft midsole and insole, really gives you great cushioning and support. And not to mention the ankles, which is nicely hugged by the sneaker collar and tongue. In short, these sneakers really give you an overall amazing experience. If you are looking for a pair of sneakers primarily for comfort, you can't go wrong with the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350. Style-wise, I think here's where it can get a little subjective because some people really like Yeezys while some think that they look funny or ugly. I personally think that it offers a unique and bold design which really stands out from the rest. This particular colorway, the Citrin, also offers a colorway that you don't really see that often. And it's in fact a combination of the previous two colorways that were released, Butter and Sesame. I personally like to match them with either joggers, jeans or sweatpants, but honestly, they really work well with all kinds of outfits, so even Bermudas or fitness shorts look great on these too. For sizing, the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 may look slightly bulkier, but they actually run small. I personally went half size up for a nice comfortable snug fit, so I'll recommend the same for you if you have narrow to normal fit. For those of you with wide fit, going a full size up is an even better idea. The Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 retails for a price of $220, which is frankly already on the higher end, and not to mention some of the colorways can only be bought at resale prices. However, with the many releases recently, some of these colorways can actually be bought close to retail. So if you have always wanted Yeezys, there's no better time to get a pair than now. The retail price is still pretty high, so it's definitely not for someone who just wants to get a simple lifestyle sneaker without breaking the bank. But if you do like the looks of it and your budget permits, then I promise you'll definitely not regret getting a pair of these sneakers. These sneakers can no longer be found at retail stores, so if you are interested to get a pair, feel free to check out sneaker marketplaces such as StockX or Goat, where you can get these sneakers at prices really close to retail. And that pretty much concludes my review of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 today. I want to hear what you think in the comments down below. I hope I earned your thumbs up in this video, and if you do like my video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on a single video. It's Nigel here with honorsoles.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.